Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stream failed to start in turn 36. So how to do this, let's get started. First open your Discord and then click on user settings, then go over to your voice and video, and under advanced just click on show diagnostic settings and make sure these both are turned off. After that go over to advanced and then make sure hardware acceleration is turned off. If it says you to change and restart, just click on change and restart and it will restart your Discord. So yes, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.